Welcome back to another tutorial. We are building off the last video where when we would change the status of a request to completed, it would grab that line and it would paste it in our new spreadsheet completed. We do need tasks and completed as necessary sheets for this. The code is written in AppScript and it is working on an onEdit function. So when we make a change, it's going to take that item and it's going to move it over. We added the ability to assign somebody. Originally, we were writing it inside AppScript for each person, but I realized that could be extremely painful. If you have hundreds of employees at your company, you probably have a better software than just Google Sheets, but in theory, I wanted this to be scalable. So now, it is going to check the name that I have assigned, see if there is a sheet. If there is not a spreadsheet for it, it creates one. And then it copies it over, and it then removes it from our tasks block. So this kind of just serves as an inbox that you can then assign. So we can add a new employee just through the drop down. Let's call him Jeremy. Hit done, apply to all. Click Jeremy, and we're going to see that's going to create a new tab just for Jeremy. Easy as that. From here, you'll see that it does not copy over the drop-down menu, but that is super easy to do. We just do the same thing in progress and completed. So now that we have added that, we can go here. We're done with our assignment. We hit complete. And now it gets moved over to our completed section. So no matter the name of the spreadsheet, as long as you could actually change this by just manually typing in the word completed, and that will move it over to the completed spot. Pretty cool. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends. Trying to come up with new content every week. The code here is going to be shared down below in the link. Check it out, and I'll see you at the next video.